Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all must be doing well. So today I'm going to uh, start a topic called how to increase concentration while studying. So first point is that create a study space where you all feel comfortable and where you feel organized. It might not be a space free from distraction. It can be a fewer distraction is okay, but you must be feel comfortable in that space. And whenever you feel uh, okay, and whenever you feel like to study, make a positive mindset that I can accomplish everything, and chant goddess Saraswati mantra. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. With this mantra, you can accomplish everything. If you love to pray, you can chant this mantra during your prayer also. And try to use a Pomodoro technique, in which we set a timer of 25 minutes with 4 sessions, and in those 4 sessions you have to take 5 minutes break. After completion of 4 sessions, take a longer break of 30 minutes to 1 hour. If you want to take more break, you can go for it. And after that, you can start your topic. Now set your mini goals or make a to-do list. And for example, if you write 10 tasks, try to complete 1 or 2 tasks every day as much as possible. Reward yourself with a gift, reward yourself with a uh, you can have a chocolate, spend time with your friends and loved ones, and enjoy every moment with them. Now the third is that start your study with the hardest subject. uh, in that hardest subject, I know it is very difficult to study and you don't feel like interested to study. So first of all, what you have to do is first scan the information, see the pages of the textbook, scan it properly, scan all the headings, subheadings, titles and diagrams. Then uh, third second point is, when you scan all the information, choose any. For example, if 10 topics are there in one chapter, so try to choose 1 or 2 topics as much as you can cover, and revise it properly, make diagrams and use your learning methods in which you feel comfortable. Next tip is, limit your phone usage and digital distraction as much as possible, because it creates lot of distraction during studying. Whenever notifications are coming of Facebook, Insta, etc. Now take short fun breaks between your study session whenever you feel exhausted. Means during your studies, after 1 hour, after 45 minutes, because 45 minutes is a limit time in which our brain needs a break, 5 minutes or 10 minutes break. And you can take a shorter break, like drink a water, go for a walk for 5 minutes, and then come back to your study. Now when you are writing your notes, try to arrange it properly in such a way that you can find it very easily, and you can read it very easily also. Try to highlight it with different colors, highlighters, as much as possible. Now the next point is, sleep 6 to 8 hours as much as possible. without any stress, without any tension. Now the last point is watch videos, listen to and talk to people who are doing best in their professional field. Try to increase your interaction as much as possible with the experienced ones, and with the positive people also. Try to keep positive people around you as much as possible. I hope these tips will help you to develop good concentration in your studies. Thank you so much and wishing you all the best. Thank you.